Hello, and welcome to the Copilot podcast studio.
Yes, hello. We're so glad you're here listening with us.
Right. Today's deep dive is it's very special because it is designed just for you, the English beginner.
Exactly. We know learning a language is hard, so we are going to speak very slowly,
Yeah.
very clearly today.
Yeah, and we will encourage you every single step of the way. So what is our mission today?
Well, our mission is to help you master asking for and telling the time in English.
Telling the time, that is so important. I mean, time is basically how we navigate the whole world, right?
It really is. It tells us, when we work, when we eat, and when we see our friends.
Yeah, it is a completely essential daily skill. Like if your day is a map, a clock is, it's kind of like your compass.
Oh, I really love that comparison.
Thanks. But a compass is not very helpful if you don't know the basic landmarks.
Right. And in English, our basic vocabulary words are those landmarks.
Exactly. They are what allow you to communicate your route to other people.
So let's start with 4 core terms today. And those are time, clock, hour, and minute.
Okay, time, clock, hour, and minute. Let's talk about those because pronunciation and usage can be a little tricky.
It really can be. So time is just the overall concept.
Right, it's the thing we're tracking.
Yeah.
But a clock, that is specifically the physical machine on your wall.
Yes, the machine on the wall. I know, a lot of learners will point to their wrist and call it a clock.
Oh, yeah, I see that all the time. But in English, the thing on your wrist is called a watch.
Exactly, a watch.
Okay.
Then we break the time down into smaller parts.
Right, so an hour is one of the 24 divisions of the day.
And pronunciation is very key here. With the word hour, the letter H is completely silent.
Oh, that's a great point. It sounds exactly like the word hour, like O-U-R.
Yep. And then a minute is one of the 60 parts of an hour.
Minute. M-I-N-ute. You emphasize the first sound. But there is one thing that still confuses me a bit.
Oh, what is that?
Well, it's this very specific phrase that trips people up. A clock.
Ah, yes.
Like, we say 5 o'clock. Why the letter O? I mean, we don't say 5 minutes.
Right. Well, it is actually a really fascinating piece of history. Hundreds of years ago, people tracked time using the sun.
Okay, so sundials and things like that.
Exactly. So when mechanical clocks were first invented, people had to be specific about which time they meant.
Oh, I see. They had to clarify if it was sun time or clock time?
Yes. So they started saying, it is 5 of the clock, to clarify they meant mechanical time.
Of the clock.
And over the centuries, of the clock just kind of squished down into a clock.
That is amazing. It's like a linguistic fossil.
It really is. But remember, in modern English, we only use it for the exact top of the hour.
Right, so you would say 5 o'clock, but never 5:30 o'clock.
Exactly.
Oh.
Never. Okay, so knowing the words is great, but how do we actually use them in a conversation?
Yeah, let's put this into practice. Let's say my phone battery dies, and I do not have a watch.
Oh no, a modern disaster.
Truly. How do I politely ask a stranger on the street for the time?
Well, the safest and most polite approach is to say, excuse me, do you have the time?
Okay. Excuse me, do you have the time?
Or you can simply ask, excuse me, what time is it?
Wait, I have heard people just ask, do you have time? Is that the same thing?
No, actually, that is a really crucial distinction.
Oh, really? How so?
Asking, do you have time, just means, are you busy right now?
Ah, so adding the word the changes it entirely. Do you have the time?
Yes, adding the means you want to look at their clock. One tiny word changes the whole conversation.
Wow, good to know. So if I ask, excuse me, do you have the time? How will they usually answer me?
They will usually start by saying, it is.
It is. Okay, keep it nice and simple.
Right. For an exact hour, they might say, it is 3 o'clock.
And what if it's not the exact hour?
Then they could say, it is 10 past 5, meaning 10 minutes have passed since 5.
It is 10 past 5.
Right.
Nice and clear. And of course, we always finish by showing gratitude.
Yes, politeness is just as important as the vocabulary. Always say thank you.
Thank you for the time. Perfect. Now, listening to us is great, but speaking out loud is how you truly learn, right?
Absolutely. We recommend finding a simple clock with hands today.
Yeah. Practice moving the hands around. Start by just saying the exact hours out loud.
Like 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock.
Let's do a quick spoken exercise together right now. I will give you 3 sentences to practice.
Say them out loud with us. Sentence 1. Excuse me, what time is it?
Sentence 2. It is blank o'clock. You just fill in the blank with the hour.
And sentence 3. Thank you.
Simple, effective, and very polite.
Yes, exactly.
Now, before we go, I have a quick challenge for you. Look around and find the nearest clock.
Can you figure out how to say the exact time out loud in English before the next minute changes?
Give it a try. And while you do, ponder this final thought.
But what is it?
Well, in English, we use financial words to describe time.
Oh, like money.
Yeah, we talk about spending time, saving time, and, wasting time.
Wow, as if time is literally money in our pocket.